students, in this question we have given infinitely long cylinder having radius 2 cm has uniform charge density of 18 microcoulomb per meter cube. Okay, so magnitude of electric field we have to calculate at a distance 1 centimeter, okay, from the axis of cylinder. So this distance is less than the radius, so it means the point is inside the cylinder. Now for the cylinder we can apply now the Gauss theorem. So E into 4 pi r square, that will be equals to the enclosed charge, that is rho into 2 pi volume can be written here.